Watch. Go on, somebody go there. He's gonna bite you. It's funny. Seriously.
What? Is he waiting for food?
No, it's his territory. This is the cygnets. These are the babies, and they don't want us here. Good. What are you doing? That's too funny. Everybody's running away.
Come on.
You're going to end up in the water, Louise. Get close to Whitey.
You want to me?
He's going to bite you. Brilliant, I got that. This guy is not backing off.
Did he bite you?
Did you? That's on. Oh no, he's afraid.
Let's go. Let's go.
I have the keys.
Come on, girls. We're going to get hit by a car and sleep by a dog.
Run away.
Run away now. That was very nice. He's a monster.
I know. He's coming.
Come on. Somebody's really going to get bit. Yeah, come on.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to. Go on, Millie. Go on, he's lunch. He's lunch.
No.
You're the lunch.
Street.
You're
No, I don't want to be the one.
All right.
Taxi. Go now.
Go on, Rosie, just let him bite you one more time. Get in. Go on. It's funny.
It's not.
Go on, Louise. Get in.
I don't know. Anyone.
Yeah, he wants to bite you.
He's going to bite your car.
This one's afraid.
You're serious when you say break bread.
How could that hurt? How much could it hurt?
Oh, you try it first. No, I'm not letting him bite me. Come on.
He's gonna attack my camera. I'm frightened. Did you hear that noise?
That was a spray.
All right, let's go. It's not funny when it's you.